When an application is opened, it is allocated a block of memory in RAM. If another application is opened, it also takes up memory. Meanwhile, there can be some free space remaining. Suppose you open a larger file and there isn't continuous space in RAM to store it. In that case, the operating system splits the file into smaller segments and stores them in the available free spaces. This is called fragmentation because the file is stored in a non-contiguous location in memory. When RAM becomes full, the operating system uses something called virtual memory. Virtual memory is a section in the hard disk drive that acts as an extension of the RAM. Now it's divided in the same way as the RAM and it has a space called a swap area. Now data that is not being frequently used are swept out from the RAM to the swap area, freeing up the RAM for active processors. Later, when this data is needed again, it can be swept back in. This process can cause further fragmentation. Along with the data that is in the queue are swept back in to the RAM. Now the data in the RAM can reside anywhere. However, frequent swapping in and out of data between RAM can lead to disk thrashing. This happens because the system spends more time swapping in and out than execute.